Good morning dear judges. My name is Krishna and today we'll be presenting the Blaze Runner shoes from Mayoor Private School. First, let's talk about the use of these shoes. These shoes are intended to improve well-being in the communities and societies. Now we'll start off with the suspension. As you can see, we are using newspapers and masking tape to create elastic field which makes jumps more easier. And these suspensions are present in the bottom part of the shoe.
Now, my name is Puneeth Reddy and I'm going to be talking about the sole. The sole is made up of newspaper and masking tape. This helps give it a flexible feel and elastic feel which helps athletes not get hurt during their jumps or races or other sports when they play.
My name is Veera and I'm going to be talking about the laces. The laces provide a tight feel to the user to make sure it doesn't go out while they're doing their sports.
My name is Satvik and I have created a design of making like green stripes and lightning bolts so it will make it look more like a running shoe and have a beautiful design.